Hello everyone, my name is Walter Podrini from Politecnico di Milano, and I'm here to talk you about autonomic computing in manufacturing. First of all, what is autonomic computing? According to the authors who invented this paradigm, is the most attractive approach to deal with software complexity. So basically, is a system embodying self-management features. Apart from definitions, but it's again another definition, an autonomic element is an element which is characterized by four properties. Self-configuration, so it can configure itself. Self-healing, so it can localize issues in the execution or in the design and to act on the root causes. Self-optimization, so it can exploit opportunity in order to be more efficient in terms of performances or costs. And then self-protection, which is the capability of defending against malicious attacks. Practically, what does it mean? Okay, if you assume, and this is by the same authors, if you assume that you have a system which at a certain point, if one of its nodes comes out with a wrong or unexpected result, you can, if the system is autonomic, it is designed to assess what was the cause of the issue and to solve it by reconfiguring or by repatching to a previous working version. To do it, it uses kind of a control system. So monitor, analyze, plan, and execute. These four actions, so monitoring the status of the system, analyze whether there is any discrepancy with respect to what expected, plan a corrective action, and execute it, everything based on some knowledge data. So quite close to AI. What's the state of the art? From its introduction in 2023, there was, as usually happens in science, a first part where this paradigm was explored, and then a second wave when the paradigm was exploited. How and what does it mean? So again, according to the literature, here we see, for example, to explain the second wave, that big green cluster, which are papers somehow dealing with the integration of autonomic computing and AI. Again, according to literature, there is a kind of recent convergence between autonomic computing and Industry 4.0, so digitalization in manufacturing, roughly. Here you can see more or less the sectors it has been adapted to and with which kind of technologies and methods. An interesting thing is it is being used both in discrete manufacturing for resource allocation and in process industry for process resilience. What has to do it with AI? Because the continuous monitoring of the system and the consequent control loop can be applied not only to the system itself, but also to a further control system, for example, leveraging on AI, whenever there are drifts or catastrophic effects. So thank you for your attention and see you in the next clips.